we'll guide you through how to change the name of your Wix website. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Wix account dashboard on your desktop. Once you're in, look for the site you want to edit and click on Select and Edit Site. This will take you to the Wix editor. In the editor, click on the Settings option that's usually on the left side panel. Under Settings, you'll find a section called Site Details. Click on that, and you'll see the current name of your website. Here's where you can change the name. Simply remove the old name and type in the new name you want for your website. Once you've entered the new name, make sure to click Save at the top right corner of the page to ensure your changes are applied. It's a good idea to double-check the spelling to make sure everything looks good. Keep in mind that changing your website's name does not affect the domain name or URL. If you want to change the domain name as well, you need to go back to your Wix dashboard, click on Settings again, and then select Domains to purchase a new domain or connect an existing one. After making these changes, preview your site to see how the new name appears and ensure everything is in order. Changing your website's name is a simple yet powerful way to refresh your brand identity or better reflect the content of your site. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.